Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram profile a bit more private, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to hide your profile picture on Telegram using the latest update. It only takes a few taps, and you'll be done in under a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account, from notifications to privacy. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it gives you full control over who can see your personal information. Now, tap on Profile Photo. This option allows you to decide exactly who can view your profile picture. You'll see a few different choices here, but if your goal is to completely hide your profile photo, select Nobody. Once you choose this option, your profile picture will no longer be visible to anyone on Telegram. And that's it. Your profile photo is now hidden, giving you more control over your privacy. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this same section and adjust the settings. Telegram makes it easy to customize your visibility depending on your needs. Taking a few moments to review your privacy settings can make a big difference in how much of your information is shared. So it's always a good idea to check in from time to time. Thanks for watching.